So I just watched someone ask ChatGPT to write a good email. And honestly, I cringed so hard. Look, if you're still talking to AI like it's Siri from 2015, we need to fix that right now. Here's what happened. And maybe this sounds familiar. You ask AI for help with something, and it spits out this generic robotic response that you can't actually use, right? Meanwhile, there are people quietly making serious money with AI because they know how to actually talk to it properly. I'm Arif, by the way. I've been helping businesses figure out this AI stuff. And honestly, the difference between people getting amazing results and people getting garbage comes down to four simple things that nobody talks about. And look, I'm gonna show you all four. And the last one, that's the technique that's been blowing up in the AI developer community lately. Once you see it, you'll understand why everyone's talking about it. But first, let me show you the biggest mistake I see everyone making. Alright, so technique number one. And this is gonna sound simple, but bear with me. Use hashtags to organize your prompts. I know, it sounds basic, but what's this? So instead of just asking, tell me about email marketing, which is what everyone does, try something like this. By using double hashtags or triple hashtags, it will tell AI its important sections. This will help organize the prompts, improve output accuracy, and reduce hallucinations. I'm basically giving AI a roadmap instead of just throwing a question at it and hoping for the best. One of my clients started doing this and she told me, and I quote, dude, it's like AI suddenly got organized. Her prompts became way more structured and she's way more productive now, just from this one change. Okay, number two, context. And this is where most people are missing out on real efficiency gains. Think about it like this. If you hire a consultant and just said, help me with sales, they probably ask you a bunch of questions first, right? Like, what kind of business? Who are you selling to? What's your biggest problems? AI needs the same thing. So instead of write me a sales email, boring. Try giving it the full picture. Write your situations. Give it a point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and point 6. And write an email for that. Much better results. The first version sounds like every other generic email. The second one, it actually connects with people because it addresses their real problems. Number three is something I call logic prompts. And this one, kind of nerdy, but super powerful. Basically, you use these double curly braces to create a variables that AI can reference. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Why does this work? Because now AI isn't guessing about dates or making assumptions about your situations. It's using your exact informations. It's like the difference between asking someone, what should I eat versus what should I eat for dinner tonight with chicken, rice, and whatever vegetables I have in my fridge. It's especially working for like a big long prompt where you have a global prompt and multiple not prompt. This variable will keep it consistent and reduce the hallucinations. Alright, number four. And this is the one that blew my mind when I figured it out. JSON prompts. Now before you run away because that sounds technical, trust me, it's not. It's just a way to get organized data instead of messy paragraphs. You got clean, organized information you can actually use in your business. And that's important. So instead of a long text prompt that you will input into your ChatGPT, you will put something in the curly bracket with like this, like task, feedback, and give underscore me, and you get the value. By using JSON prompt, you give AI more detailed and structured ways of input and output. I can copy that straight into my spreadsheet, share it with my team. No more reformatting, AI responses for an hour. This approach has been huge in the AI engineering world because it just works so much better for actually using the data in the business systems. I use it for customer feedback, competitor research, and any other stuff. You name it. Now, here's where it gets really good. What if you combine all four of this? I call it the master framework. And it's honestly like having a really good consultant who never gets tired and never forget details. This gives you professional level strategy in minutes, not hours. And it's formatted so you can actually use it. My client who used these exact systems, they've become significantly more productive and efficient with their AI workflows. Not because AI is magic, but because they're finally communicating with it properly. So here's the thing. I put together this whole library of these prompts, like 50 plus of them for marketing, sales, planning, and whatever. I'm giving it away for free. I want to see more people succeed with AI instead of struggling with it. And if you're running a real business and want to talk about implementing AI properly, not just prompts, but like actual AI systems that make money, I'm doing some free strategy calls this week. We'll figure out what makes sense for your specific situations. Links are below. Don't overthink it. Just grab the prompts and start using them. Your future self will thank you. Oh, and do me a favor. If this actually helped you, just let me know in the comments. I read every single one, and honestly, it makes my day when someone tries this stuff and it works. Hit like if this was useful. Subscribe if you want more AI tips that actually works in the real world.